The free Neve theme is a great theme for a starter e-commerce store. One feature it's missing though is a wish list. And in this video, we're going to go over a few free options as well as a paid option. So let's dive right in. A couple things we need to make sure we have before we start. We need to make sure that Woocommerce is installed. If you don't see it here, check your plugins. And if you don't see it here at all, or it's deactivated, activate it, or go to add new. Search Woocommerce or Woo, and it'll be the first result right over here. As you can see, I already have it installed. If you don't see this grayed out or it says install now, go ahead and click it and install it. Next thing we need to check is make sure that we have Neve installed. We'll go to appearances and then themes. Make sure you have Neve. If you don't, just go to add new. Then again, we'll search Neve. And go ahead and find Neve and add it. Now that we know we have both of those installed, we're going to want to make sure we add products or have products already added, and go to products. If you don't see anything here, you're going to create new. I'll try to put a card in the corner of a video of how to do that if you don't know how. But first, let's go ahead and check out our first plugin. Now, when it comes to getting a free or paid plugin, you need to remember a free plugin generally designed just for you to buy the paid version. They're always missing one feature that in my mind is a must. So just keep that in mind as we go through this video. The first plugin we're going to go is the one that I built. Now, Wishlist, I believe, should be integrated with multiple other things, such as quick view and compare products. So that's how I designed my plugin, is if you add these items to your wish list, and then you quick view, they're there so you can easily compare it to the product you have on the page. This makes for a more convenient shopping experience for the customer and more likely to convert. Where other wishlist plugins will either have an icon, generally in their paid version, and then it's kind of in the background, so it doesn't really do much for you. As well as they have it down here, so you don't forget about it. As well as if you add in some items to compare. And again, quick view. Now you can compare it to those as well. Again, trying to make it as easy for customers to shop and see what they're buying, making the likelihood of them converting. It also has a section here to where they can share it to other people. And now I'm a logged in user. If they're a non-logged in user, they'll be able to have a field here to fill out their email address. So in the back end, go to the dashboard, go to Woo Otter WP, and email templates, and go here to wishlist. You can set up an email campaign, let them know when items are back in stock, or if an item is for sale. All this is designed for one thing, to help you convert on something that they know they want. And if we click into an email, so say by the third one in the email chain, we'll edit. You can create a coupon, percentage, or a set amount, as well as an expiration date. So we'll do 10 days. And you can add free shipping in the coupon if you want, send a test email, as well as edit anything in its body. This link is a checkout link. You can also put recommended items or related products, sorry, and an unsubscribe link. All this is very important and all has likelihood to increase your sales. One thing you are going to want to add is a coupon code. And how you do that is the AutoWP fields, coupon code. We'll say code. And that way, whatever code is created will be displayed right there for them. Now we'll just go down to update template. Now that coupon that you created will display the code right there for them. Now, if you think this is a plugin for you, there's a link in the description and it will take you right to the plans page. As you see, it comes with a whole bunch more features than just Wishlist. Definitely worth it. Will easily make your money back in no time. So now let's go to some free versions. Now to find these free versions, we're going to go into the plugins, add new, and simply search up Wishlist. And the first one you'll see is the YITH WooCommerce Wishlist. Click install. And then activate. And now we're going to need to set up a few things within the plugin to get it to work. Add a wish list. General settings. You're going to want to turn on Ajax loading. Click on add to wish list. You want to make sure this loop is clicked on. And before add to cart. Save options. Now if we take a look in front end, you can see there it is. As you can see, their icon is there. You have an add to wish list button and simply add to wish list. I'll tell you you've added it. And if you want to browse it, you can click on browse wish list. As you can see, pretty much the same as what I got on mine. And it also has the share links, which is pretty awesome for a free plugin. Now let's check out its controls and see what we can customize. I won't go too in depth. Gotta go to the dashboard, over here to YITH. And then we'll go to customization. And you can make it button the theme style. They give you a whole bunch of different kind of controls here for you to make it look how you like, as well as change stuff on the wishlist page and the icons for your sharing. Now, if you want to go to the premium, you will get a whole bunch of other advanced management, different layouts for the wishlist page, as well as targeted promotions, which basically is the email campaign. And that is $99 here. Quite expensive, but it does come with a lot of features. Now, the next one I added was the TI WooCommerce wishlist. Again, same steps, install, then activate. And we'll check that out in the store. Go to visit store. As you can see, don't like this because it interrupts the shopping and takes you to view your wish list. And you should probably just have it down below. And here's their wish list. You have a remove, add to cart, so you can bulk change things, which is nice, as well as the ability to share. So it comes with a lot of similar features as the YITH plugin. And here are a lot of the options. You can require login, all different kinds of stuff, styles, force permalinks. So they give you quite a bit of control for it being a free version, if you like. And there's your shares. So it comes with a lot of nice features for a free plugin. But again, no marketing at all. And to get that, you need to upgrade to their paid version. And we'll see how much that costs. $79 a year, again, just for a wish list. It is great that they give you something for free, and you can have this feature on your site until you decide whether or not to go premium. But my suggestion to you is go premium at the start and start marketing to the people in your wish list, which is all behind their paywall. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next one. Bye.